Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a four-star Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Wednesday, December the 2nd, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku is a four-star Sudoku, and this will be number 1960. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has again 25 printed digits. Normally 24, but a few times, the last past days, the fourth Sudoku has always 25. Very strange. Do not know. But is it really a four-star Sudoku? A four-star Sudoku, I really need 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes to solve them. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have an 8 in this column, an 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the number 5 in this row, 5 in a row below? So on the last row, the only place for a 5 should be there. Then. How about the number? The number. The number in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. There 1, no 1 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yes. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Yeah. No, 4, 2. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We see there 6, no 6 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 6. It should be there. 2 missing numbers. 2 and the 4 are missing in this big square. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between, only place for a 4 should be here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in these two boxes. Therefore no 4 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be here. 4 in the last row. 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, only place for a 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. And all the fours are used, I can see. Digit number 1. All right. All right. Let me see. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for an 8 should be there. 7, 9. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see there 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 here. Only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 7. Let me mark those numbers because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These 2 missing numbers in the last column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 8 is missing. 3 and an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5, we see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 5. No, 5 we have here. 9 and 1. No, 1, 2, 9 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So on the row above, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2. All right. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So on the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. Then 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. One number left in this middle column for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4. All right. And now, two numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and 6. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and 6. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. One number left in the middle row for the number 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for an 8 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 and 6. Same like here, 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 6. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow! Faster than the previous Sudoku. And is this really a 4 stars Sudoku? I don't believe this. I don't believe that, so I think maybe this one will be, this one is a 1-star Sudoku or 2-star Sudoku. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last two Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.